Hi everyone,
Hello guys,
I'm Gako Patricia.
I'm Bafo Joshua,
We are students at the Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in Ghana.
and we're here to talk about the admissions and scholarship processes to Kwame University of Science and Technology.
In order to become a student at KNUST, you have to go through two main processes. The first one is you have to apply to the university, and the second one is you have to apply for the scholarship program, given that you don't have the money to pay for your tuition and accommodation and all the likes. So we're going to start with the admissions into the university. In order to apply to the university, there are several documents that you should put in place before you even think of applying, because we don't want you, or you would not want to find yourself in that situation where you start applying and then you end up realizing that you're not eligible for the scholarship. So yeah, you need your A levels results. You need to have your A levels results first. You need to have any identification documents. It could be your birth certificate, your ID, your national ID, your passport, any identification document that you have at that point. And then you need to also ensure that if you're coming to apply for a program at KNUST, you should be eligible to apply for it. And here in Ghana, there's a system called cutoff points. Yeah, you have to be sure that your program of study you meet your program of studies cutoff points. So in order to get, or in order to know if you're eligible for your program of study, you have to head over to the website and download the PDF containing all the programs at KNUST and their various cutoff points. So you'll be able to calculate that. And then lastly, you have to have a passport photograph with a light green background. Yes, so you need to have those three first.
So the deadline starts from April and usually ends in October. But for those who are applying for the scholarship, you need to apply before the scholarship application ends. So we'll advise you guys to apply between April and August to stand a chance to get admitted and also have the scholarship. The second process is to apply for the fully funded scholarship, which is called the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship. Now, to apply for this fully funded one, you simply head on to their website and you download the PDF form. Now, you'll be required to fill in the necessary information that they will ask you in the PDF form. Now, the documents required is your GC advanced level, your transcript, your teacher's recommendation, and your counselor recommendations. You'll also be asked for any identification document, such as your passport, such as your birth certificate, and also your ID card. You can include that.
Also, there are a lot more other requirements that's required of you. So you just have to head over to the scholarship website and download the PDF form, the scholarship form. You'll be able to get access to all the requirements written on the form. Yeah.
So once you've done filling out the application form and having all your required documents, you simply send all of this in an email that is in the link below. So you compile all of it and it should be in one PDF form, and you send it just once to the email address.
Mind you, the whole process is free. Yeah, the whole process, the university application process, the Mastercard Foundation application process, everything is free, because you just have to fill the online application when it comes to the school's admission, and then you just have to fill your form and send through email, which is totally free.
And the scholarship application usually opens in February and closes around August. So this year, make sure you apply early enough. It's advisable to apply early, and don't also forget the admissions that you also apply before August ends. So,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you so much for coming this far into the video with us, and we are hoping to see you here. wish you the best, and I don't know if you want to have something to say.
No, just wish you the best in your applications and try to be honest, and God will definitely be with you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.